Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image, History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital money market as expansion as opposed to deflationary digital money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has massive potential. With the sort of popularity rising, Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no extraordinary preparation. Well disposed to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Stowing your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced cash is dynamic and ardent worth wins around equality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized examination. Regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Nonetheless, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost estimate comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is currently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing inventory is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the complete circling supply is $132,670,764,300. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped intense changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost penniless the prompt obstruction with practically no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the pivotal obstruction of 16 cents yet fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange beneath the obstruction. Specialized pointers recommend that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's persistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and for sure, financial backer feeling viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the examination, Doge's cost will support in the event that the hypotheses work out as expected. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most mind-blowing crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional cryptographic forms of money fit for being utilized as a useful cash instead of basically as a theoretical resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around 7 cents in 2023. While the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of computerized coin costs propose that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another untouched high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $2.14 by 2030. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. In light of the Doge cost expectation, the base, greatest, and normal costs are supposed to be 6 cents, 12 cents, and 10 cents, separately, considering any remaining variables being steady. In 2022, the general value change may be outstanding, according to our Dogecoin cost expectations. Dogecoin forecast 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, though the normal cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of 2022. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost expectation, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A huge convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. As indicated by our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. In actuality, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost expectations, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents, with a respectable rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally continuously 2030. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a decent inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from certifiable government-issued money. This remarkable trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With truckload of cash driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an extensive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. Nonetheless, our speculation exhortation is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As indicated by our cost forecast and investigating past